This video will show you how to get your files into eCAT. So if you're at the dashboard, you can just go to Import, click on Import, and then select the files that you want to drag in. So we'll bring these two in. And you can do that kind of drag and drop with any browser except for Internet Explorer. On Internet Explorer, and also you can use this in other browsers, you can just select files from here. So for example, we might select this Word document, and now that's uploaded. So then we just go to the next step. But before we do that, you'll see here there's an upload limit of 1 megabyte per file. If that's not big enough for you, you can reset your upload limit in Preferences over here. So now we've got these uploaded, we can go to the next step. And here we can select whether these files are converted to eCAT format. So by default, images and Word documents are converted to internal eCAT format. And spreadsheets are not, which means you just get a link to the file. But you can change these to be links to files instead of being converted if you want. So when you've set that the way you want, you say Finish. And now you can see those three files, results, Experiment 2 and C. elegans have appeared. And we can look at one, for example, this one. And you can see that's being converted, so that's an internal eCAT image, thumbnail of the original image. And it's been placed in the Tom Wilshaw's user space, and that's the default for where the files go that have been imported into the dashboard. So let's have a look at that space, and you can see there are the three files that we've imported. The results, as I said, is just a link to the file, and if we clicked on that, then your spreadsheet editor would open up with it in. The Word document, Experiment 2, has been converted, so you can see that there. And that's how you get files into eCAT. Now, there may be times when you want to put files in particular places. You don't want them to go into the normal user space. Maybe you want to associate a file with, for example, this experiment. So you can do that. If we're looking at the experiment record here, we can click on Import, and it will import files as children of that experiment. And again, we can drag the files in, or we can add them using the file selector. And we can say Next, Finish, and now you'll see those are children of the experiment record.